For all of this time, all I've been running for exhaust on the 350Z was a muffler delete. All I did was remove the muffler, not even weld a new pipe to it. And today, that's gonna change. I found a local shop that's used to working on turbo cars, like making custom manifolds for Hondas or other turbo builds. And they're the ones that are gonna be doing our custom exhaust today. The only request that I had was that the exhaust was gonna exit in 2 pipes and they were gonna go through the rear bash bar. How do you think it sounds? Is it the typical trumpet VQ or not? Keep in mind we still have the stock cats on the car and that makes the car sound a little less raspy than the usual 350Z sound. If you like this video, hit the like button and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another one.
I wait for you tonight. You're making me reach the sky.